In the 46th verse. And about the ninth hour, Jesus cried with a loud voice, saying,
Woo, glory.
Eli, Eli, lama sabachthani. That is the saying, my God, why hast thou forsaken me? Hallelujah. 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 And I'm thinking in my mind, what made God at this time, at this juncture, to think that God had forsaken him? Something was going on. That's right. Hallelujah, hallelujah. I'm trying to pull this out so we can kind of like sympathize with him at that time. All this time up until he gets to here, said, my God, why have thou forsaken me? He had to feel that God's presence had left him.
That's right.
He had to feel it.
Yes, he did.
He felt the void. Hallelujah.
Amen.
And that's how our life is today. Hallelujah. We do not have Jesus in our life.
All right. Say that. Say that.
You need to be filled. Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Glory.
And when you have tasted the sweetness of Jesus. And when it's gone, hallelujah, you miss it.
All right.
You do miss that sweetness of Jesus.
Yes.
And as the word goes forth, Mark tells us, it was the third hour when they crucified him. Mark 15 and 25. Sometime after the crucifixion took place, Luke tells us, it was now about the 6th hour, and darkness came over the whole land until the 9th hour. Luke 25. Give me my glasses. I'm sorry.
That's all right.
Luke 25 and 44. Jesus lasts only 6 hours. I don't think that the similarities between 3 hours is accidental. Jesus was about 33 when he died. He was set up on the cross at the 3rd hour of the day.
All right.
And lasts until the 9th hour.
Work it out.
He rose from the dead on the 3rd day, just as Jonah was in the belly of the great fish.
All right.
Jesus fell under the cross 3 times on Val del Arosa. Jesus cried out. It is noteworthy that this is the only time Jesus addressed God.
All right.
In this way, in a prayer. But there, in his hour of greatest desolation, he addressed God as he would as any other practitioner.
All right.
It does not represent the loss of faith, but the intimacy of fellowship.